is because we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's why I spend all this money on this keyboard. A huge shout out to Echo for the free keycaps, because now one of you guys get to experience them. Actually, these ASA profiles are kind of lit though. They're pretty nice. Double shot PBT. I just really wanted to give one of you a keyboard, okay? So there you go. I bought you a keyboard. Now all you gotta do is win it. Follow me on Twitter, like the tweet, retweet the tweet, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's it. youtube.com/TechKyle. I appreciate you. And just because I wanted to show my appreciation for you, all my brothers and sisters out there, here's the keyboard. There you go. Hope you enjoy the sound test. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. I'm not done streaming though, so follow me on Twitch while you're at it. Let's do this thing. This box is huge though, that's for sure. Holy. This one I already took out of the box though, because we did it the other day on stream when we looked at the portico and built that earlier this week. But now we're actually gonna build this thing. I'm actually more excited about this than I was the portico. I gotta figure out how to take this thing apart without breaking it. To draw the winner of the Gretza on Twitter. I sure did. But let's test out these stabilizers stock. See how much work they need. I hope I lubed enough switches too. It was a while ago when I lubed these. It was like maybe a month or so, and then I just got kind of busy the past few weeks, so it kind of pushed me back. Cause we're sitting at like 1,100 subscribers on the tech channel. I haven't uploaded like a couple weeks, I think. My homie Swallow, how you doing, big fella? What's going on, my brother? All right, so I actually really like this keycap set. I want like the official like GMK Nautilus, but A, I don't want to pay freaking $200 for it, and B, it's really hard to find. We are building an NK or a Novel Keys 87 today. So we've got 10 keyless keyboard. Oh, this is not a standard layout. This is a, oh, this spacebar needs to work. This is a Sangam layout or something. So that is what we gotta fix. Low key, we should try duct taping a keyboard one day. I bet you only need one layer. The thing is, you'll never be able to pull that boy off the PCB, man. That duct tape is gonna be way too strong. He said clip is in. Which NK switches are clicky, but not tactile? I don't know. There's no lube on the sides of the stabs, like at all. I don't even feel anything. These boys dry as heck. Bro, low-key, we hate on Michigan so hard. We really do. Some people like the fact that we can experience everything in one place, but for me, I'm very basic. I like warm weather, and that's it. Like, I low-key don't like it when it's too hot, though. So, like, I don't think me moving to Arizona is really gonna work out. I have to buy Nautilus though eventually, because I have like a Nautilus custom cable that I got from Calamity Keys like a while ago, but I just never got the keycap set. I need a yellow high-end keyboard for me to just throw Striker on. I should buy a yellow Mode 65 top case, but I can't because they're all sold out. There we go. All right, we good now. The blue look okay. The blue look all right. You can't, no underglow. What mouse is this? This, I've been waiting for this mouse ever since I seen it for the first time on Instagram freaking ads, bro. This is the Gamebitions Orbit. New Logitech G305 as new Logitech G305 clone. And I don't even want to call it a clone because realistically, we've given Logitech so much time to make this and they never did. I ain't mad. I ain't mad at them. This is a good product. I wonder if there's anything we can do with that spacebar without like taking the whole thing apart. Probably not. Let's hit it with just a little bit more Crytox. I think they said they might be discontinued on their website, but they might still have some Amazon stuff left. Oh, that did it. Just need a little bit more Crytox. That did it. Nice ASA double shot PBT keycaps, but they're from Acco, called the Macaw, M-A-C-A-W. Very weird name. Really what they meant to say was Nautilus, but Macaw. I don't know. I'll have to Google that. It sounds like a bird. No rattle in earshot. Not sight because you can't see rattle, but just how we like our boards. Nice and fucky.